These craft vinyl, these are 50 cents. Okay, all the craft vinyls that Dollar Tree is currently carrying, they are 50 cents. Have you seen this? Okay, so this is PS 3-in-1 Kids Body Wash and Shampoo and Conditioner, fragrance free, $1.25. Oh, this one smells really good. Just light pineapple. Now, you know, PS, I don't know. I did buy a shampoo, if I'm not mistaken, a long time ago. And that shampoo, I don't know, honey, that shampoo isn't about too much of anything, okay? Ooh. Go ahead, smell it. This smells absolutely delightful. Berry in this, oh, like no other. Oh, child, that smells so good. Oh, that smells really, really good. So refreshing. Absolutely amazing. So these right here, they smell delightful. Really good. $1.25. Now, if you was to get the orange one, this has no scent to it. Okay, so you just have to be mindful when you're purchasing them, because one has no scent and this one has a scent. This one is the pineapple. Child, chef kiss. Really good. Have you seen these tumblers? Try to tell me these not fancy. These are so cute. Spring colors, summer colors. Absolutely love these. They are $1.25. Now, honey, this is the only one that they have here. I guess they sold the rest of them. But be on the lookout for these. These are so cute. So I thought that was the only one that they had when it came to the tumblers. Child, I was wrong. My intuition said, girl, go through the aisles and check them. These are so cute. Absolutely love these. Now, they have about 3 different colors. They have this one, the blue and green. They have the blue and pink. Oh my goodness, it's the colors for me. They also have the pink and yellow. When I tell you summer ready, this is definitely summer ready. Let me know in the comment section which one you guys prefer, which one you like the best. I definitely like this one. Now, green is definitely my favorite color, but when it comes to these tumblers, this one, it looks so good. And I guess because of the brightness, the colors of it, the combination, absolutely amazing. So they have different ones, and it seems like this is Japanese, written in Japanese, well, not Japanese, Mandarin. Wispy Natural Flair. These are half lashes, a clear soft band. And check this out, honey. These are kind of long, if you ask me. They have so many different ones. Okay, and the names of these lashes are all up here, honey. I don't even know. All right, so this says pig, rooster. Child, get it? Who named these lashes? This goat, dog. The dog one, you know, it's a little long, but it looked more natural. They also have horse, honey, dragon, and I like the dragoning, but all that other stuff, goat, dog, and all that stuff, honey, I don't know about that. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So Dollar Tree is now selling these cosmetic bags that come in 3 different colors. They have this purple one, they also have this pink one, and then they also have this turquoise bag. These are cosmetic bags. These are $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. So another hot item is these serums right here. I do have the glow one. This is really good. Peace, family. Okay, so this is the glow serum. This is the brighten and tone serum. Now, what I do is, it's so funny, my youngest daughter Amani, who is 7 years old, she was asking about like the little beads in here, and she was like, could you use those? And I was like, yeah, because once you put it on your face, they absorb. Well, they absorb once you rubbing it in. And what I tend to do is just put a little bit, rub it in, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells good. I didn't want to do another retinol oil, okay, because I got 2 on my dresser, the retinol oils. And I be putting them on in the daytime. And I know a lot of you guys was saying, don't put it on in the daytime, right? So I stopped putting it on in the daytime. But this oil, the brightening toner oil, glow, so good. It is really, really good. I absolutely like this. $25. They also have this one as well. This is called Dew, and then they also have Plump. Now the Plump one is collagen serum, and then this one is hyaluronic acid serum, and then this one is brightening tone, and this one hydrates and store. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree, of course, have the Yardley body mist. These are $1.25. We had seen these the other day. This is the Summer Breeze. They also have the English Lavender, and then also the English Rose. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving their feet. Now, oh my goodness. So, remember I said this the other day? I was in here, and these soothing and cooling face sticks, they had about 2 or 3 boxes. Honey, don't you know they only have 1 box left? So, the people in the Dollar Tree streets, honey, they buying these up like tea. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel. Okay, compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost, gently cleanses and removes dirt, oil, and makeup. This is $1.25. Whenever you come to Dollar Tree, if you see these, the personal care body wash coconut vanilla, Chef Kiss. They also have the sugar cookie limited edition, Chef Kiss. These smell so good, and I had purchased both of these before. They are hands down really good. The coconut vanilla, oh my goodness, it's just gonna give you something really good. Okay, all right, honey, your body gonna be smelling good. Okay, $1.25. I think this is popular. Okay, this firming cleansing body bar, I had seen this in another Dollar Tree, and these were practically all gone. Okay, but this one is with caffeine and honey. To me, this smell just like tea. Okay, this smells really good, just like tea. And this is $1.25. Honey, this is a thick bar. When I tell you Dollar Tree is making this fragrance right here, Bermuda Blue Citrus Solid Gel Air Freshener, into everything, honey, everything. Like this, scented oil refills with essential oils. Honey, they going crazy with this thing. Okay, like this, the Bermuda Blue Citrus Fabric Softener Dryer Sheets. You get 40 sheets for $1.25. Like this. The Bermuda Blue Citrus 3-in-1 Laundry Pack. You get 10 for $1.25. These Bermuda Blue Citrus and Wash Fragrance Booster. Now, when I tell you this smells good, this smells amazing. Okay, this is the only thing that I had tried from this line is the Blue Citrus and Fragrance Booster, which is $1.25. Also, like this, Bermuda Blue Citrus Refreshing Fabric Wrench. Okay, eliminates odors and residue. Honey, they got this everywhere. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Powerhouse. This is 1 soap stick with essential oils such as lemongrass, $1.25. Okay, so if you have fruit flies, okay, gnats, Dollar Tree has these fruit fly traps. These are $1.25. And then they also have the mosquito repellent coils. These are $1.25. You get 4 of these. Now, if you're a person that's blowing people's bathroom up, honey, I advise you to get this. Put a lid on it, okay? Go and get you some pre-poo toilet spray. Contains natural essential oils, twisted citrus. Honey, you may need a few of these in your pocketbook or in your bag. Another still deal like Holyfield is these nail guard sponges. I make sure I buy enough of these. You get 6 for $1.25. Now, just in case if you guys have not seen these, this is the Elmhurst dairy-free cashew creamer blended with oat milk sweet cream. Now, they carry this brand at Whole Foods. and normally it's like $6 to $7. The milk, the actual milk, hazelnut milk, almond milk, okay, is normally like $6 to $7, but Dollar Tree has the creamers here. The creamers that they have is the cashew creamer, which is the sweet cream, and then they also have the cashew creamer blended with oat milk, unsweetened, $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has started selling is this pink sugar ice cream sprinkle mix, 3-pack sprinkle mix. This is $1.25. Child, honey, am I new to this? Okay, because I know I'm true to this. But Pillsbury, have they always been selling this? I need to be coming through these aisles a little more, okay? Because, all right, so they have cream cheese, green vanilla, aqua blue vanilla, and then they also have the regular vanilla. Child, get into this. This is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have some more items like these blueberry mix, wild berry, Martha White, $1.25. And then they also have the brownie bites, just add eggs and oil, $1.25. Banana nut, $1.25. And blueberry muffin mix, $1.25. So Dollar Tree said if you are in a rush or you don't have time to come home and cook and make that spaghetti, Dollar Tree already have it made already. Microwave, put this in the microwave, 60 seconds, although I do not use the microwave, honey. I threw my microwave out years ago. But Dollar Tree have this spaghetti pasta, and this is $1.25, fully cooked and simply delicious, they say. These cookies right here, I absolutely love these. Now, normally I get the vanilla ones, but Dollar Tree has the hazelnut, chocolate hazelnut with other natural flavors, $1.25. Now, I remember I was looking up recipes, coming up with ideas to create content, and I had seen this item with a recipe, and this lady, she was like, who knew that Dollar Tree sold these? Honey, I don't even know how to pronounce. Is this called crunchy? I don't know how to pronounce this, but these are potatoes, and this is $1.25, honey, just in case if you was looking for something like this. Another item for the children is these Carrot to Cups party favors. They have Minnie Mouse, Avengers, Mickey Mouse, Marvel, Spider-Man, Star Wars. Okay, these are $1.25. Look like, what is this? Look like Roblox. The Spider-Man cup is back there. And then they also have Star Wars. Let me know what was your favorite item. So I have about 3, okay? The makeup cosmetic bag, the tumblers, okay? The pink and yellow tumbler, and then also the PS 3-in-1, the body wash, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Oh my goodness, that smelled is so good. All right, so let me know in the comment section which one did you guys like, and what's some of your favorite items that you love to get when you go to the Dollar Tree. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.